spot?
Yeah.
Okay. I have been there once, walking there.
Okay.
Yeah, once. It was only one day.
Yeah, the countryside is beautiful.
Football club? Okay, you're having a football club.
No,
Nice to.
football. This is wrestling.
Oh, this is a wrestling for. Hey, how are you? Are you from North Macedonia?
No.
Kosovo. Fantastic. I'm going to Kosovo. This is my brother. My name is Yusuf. You're Muslims?
Yeah.
Welcome to Skopje. Second day, and we are our way to the Bazaar, Old Bazaar, as well as a Bit Bazaar. It's an indoor bazaar. So, and my point of view, and this is where it starts with a big statue and the history. I will give you a brief history of the country's brief history in another time. So let's keep walking. You might have seen it in the night time when I arrived in Skopje. Yeah. Welcome to the Old Bazaar, Skopje, North Macedonia. It's very, very hot. As we pass by the historical places, you will help me out in the comments, and I hope you like this video, because we were trying to get something around here, but it's expensive. So the indoor, I was told, go to the indoor, a mini bazaar. That is this is where we get our night when we arrive food. Yeah. As I said, we will be making a food program about, for example, this restaurant is called Destan. It's one of the, it offers traditional Macedonian food. It's one of those that has been recommended. Look at this armor. That's what they used to wear apparently. First time. Many dolga beggars, kebabs. But I am after one particular one, which has been recommended by my chat GPT, Hamza, doner. A lot of doner kebabs. And the sun is blazing hot. So it is nice to have it outside. Yes, it is. I can see it. But it doesn't have outside like those guys. Salam. Yeah. or they can sit out inside. This is the one. It's within the walking distance of the mosque. I'm walking down to the alleys. I've been to the mosque yesterday, and we are in the mosque. You will not be able to miss it. Same way as the statue are high, you will see the minaret. So this is the mosque. Mustafa Pasha Mosque. The history goes because you will see Mustafa Pasha in Turkey as you see Mustafa Pasha Mosque. I met in Antalya. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, this is a Mustafa Pasha Mosque. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Yeah, so while we oh, hello. As you can see, Mustafa Pasha, it has the fountains. And the history. Let me feel that. It was constructed by Mustafa Pasha, and even his daughter is entombed into this mosque. Assalamu alaikum. You're welcome, brother. So even it was completed in 1492. So who was Mustafa Pasha? So Mustafa Pasha was a commander, historian, an Ottoman.
Hello, hello.
Hello, how are you? An Ottoman vizier. He saved three different, even the Salman and Suleiman the Magnificent, different Salma the second. He saved three different sultans of Ottomans. So that's why he has a history, and you'll see his name if you watch my Antalya video, Mustafa Pasha.
The countryside is beautiful in England,
True.
especially during the summer.
Yes, it is. You know, in England, a lot of when you just travel outside from London, the country hasn't been much explored.
Alrighty, we gotta get out of here.
Same here.
That way.
Yeah, I'm going that way too.
Have a great trip.
Same to you guys. Nice to meet you. You're welcome. My American friends. And the beauty is it has fountains everywhere. Fountains. Now, salam brother, Bit Bazaar? Oh, okay, good. Salam, marhaba. Sorry. Yeah, this is the Bit Bazaar known for. In this indoor bazaar, long time ago, it used to be, you see, if we can find first of all, pomegranate. Let's look around for pomegranate. They smell. Oh, they smell nice. Very nice. Even if you're cooking, you can buy halal meat here. We don't have a kitchen in our hostel. So let's look for a pomegranate or watermelon. Hello, brother. Salam. Salam alaikum. And one of these ones, how much? And
150.
150. That will be, yes. Sweeter. Yes, okay, sweet. Okay, I will take that. Hydration, get your hydration. And we're heading back. because I cannot stand this heat. Where is that guy I saw? Salam, brother. Yeah. Shoes. Shoes. You see so many shoes. I'm wearing my sandals. And, in Istanbul, we will get something from Istanbul definitely. And I just wanted to show you. Yeah. And give me yeah. And brother, give me drink pomegranate, the red one. Pomegranate. No, those ones. Yes. No, yeah, that one. Mix. No, yeah, why not? Give me mix. Thank you. That's a pomegranate and a lemon. Have you eaten? Okay, wait. No, not spicy. Give me another one also. Another one, similar one. Yes. A little bit. Give me another one. There you are, boys. Eat together, okay? Give me another one. Thank you. This one I eat. Okay. Assalamu alaikum, brother. And can I pay? Yes?
Yes.
And
17 dinars.
how much?
17 dinars.
Oh, alhamdulillah, very nice. I will come back. When you have a beautiful coffee, and I will come back here. Nice little shot. And there you are. I'm happy. Yeah. This place is beautiful, and it reminds me of Antalya, and it looks beautiful. It became a tradition, I suppose. Yeah, let me take a picture. It's in here, people are smoking outside because it's a beautiful day. It's 5 o'clock now. Let's see what this guy is. There is a show. We are explorers, so there must be a show happening here. Another statue. We don't know the name. Hello, guys. Oh, football club. Okay, you're having a football club.
No,
nice to.
Football. This is wrestling.
Oh, this is a wrestling for the
Freestyle wrestling.
for the young people.
Yeah.
Oh, that
If
is.
you want, you can come 7 o'clock.
Okay.
We'll start the matches.
I will be coming back, just getting a SIM
You're
card.
welcome anytime.
Thank you so
You're from?
much. I'm from United Kingdom, England.
You're welcome.
First day in Skopje.
Yeah.
A beautiful place.
You like it?
Absolutely. I met Americans now
Yeah.
and Italians.
You have around the world.
Yeah, and I really like it. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Good. We're still exploring. And now we got orientated. Hello. Hey, how are you? Are you from North Macedonia?
No.
Kosovo. Fantastic. I'm going to Kosovo. This is my brother. My name is Yusuf. You're Muslims?
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Nice to meet you. I'm thinking going to Pristina on next week and this week. And how is it? Where do you recommend I should go?
In Pristina.
Okay. And in here I have to travel for halal food. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nice to meet you. Beautiful. Meeting people. People are easier to find. Hello, bro. Absolutely, brother. Yes, let me show you. And Yusuf's journey. That will be me, brother. Yes. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum. I will inshallah come in Kosovo, you see it. Assalamu alaikum, brothers. Good. Full of doner beef. Bismillah. Thank you so much.